Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain freedom style. To begin, freedom style is a captivating approach to music that prioritizes spontaneous improvisation and deep personal expression. It's about letting go of rigid structures and allowing your musical intuition to lead the way. You'll discover how to create unique sounds and narratives, making each performance a truly one-of-a-kind experience. This guide will help you unlock your creative potential and play with genuine freedom. Now, let's dive into the core elements. Freedom style encourages you to explore diverse rhythmic patterns, shifting tempos and meters as your inspiration guides you. You'll develop melodic ideas spontaneously, prioritizing emotional impact over strict adherence to scales. Experiment with rich harmonic textures, using both dissonance and consonance expressively. Remember to utilize dynamics and timbre to add profound depth and unique character to every improvisation you create. To truly master freedom style, consistent practice is key. Begin with short, focused improvisations, gradually extending their duration as you gain confidence. Actively listen to a wide variety of musical genres. This will significantly broaden your musical vocabulary and inspire new ideas. Recording yourself often is invaluable for critical self-evaluation and refining your unique sound. Also, try practicing without an instrument, simply imagining musical ideas in your mind. When performing freedom style, embrace every unexpected moment as a unique opportunity for creativity. Connect deeply with your audience, sharing your authentic musical journey and inviting them into your spontaneous world. Trust your instincts completely. They are your most reliable guide for making immediate musical choices. Most importantly, enjoy the entire process of creation, letting go of any judgment and fully embracing the present moment. This approach fosters genuine, heartfelt expression.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.